Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down and find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from this calendar. For example, this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Just by choosing it from this clock, you can set totally different time. We can change the time zone. Just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here you can either type the region or simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Right here we've got also the time format, so we can decide which one we would like to apply. Currently we've got the 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher, turn it off. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those three switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.